Okay, so this is a quick video to talk about the Advaning PN Series awnings. They come as individual pieces, which would be just the two end pieces and the polycarbonate sheet. But you can attach up to an additional one or two. I'm not sure if it's one or two, but you can actually connect them together. But I was just going to do a quick video to explain to you guys the struggles that I had getting these together afterwards. What they tell you to do is put up the polycarbonate sheet with the two end pieces like this separately, and then do one end with the bracket on there, and then slide the polycarbonate end with the two aluminum brackets into the other bracket. Well, I found that to be extremely challenging to do, because you have to put some pressure on that to get it to slide in. So this is my solution. I was able to do this pretty much by myself, actually. Using this method, I just used a couple of ratchet straps and connected them into the ends here like that. And basically you got to kind of hold it up starting in that location. You slide the polycarbonate sheet into the already existing one that you've mounted, and then you use just a temporary screw right there, like what I've got there at the top, to hold it in place. And then you can ratchet strap this. It'll keep it in place so that you can ratchet strap it into the slot, so that you can actually pressure. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it allows you to put some pressure on this joint right here using the other end to pull against to get it to actually seat well. And then after you get done getting it good and snug, then you can tighten up on your screws. And once you do that, then you can take the whole ratchet strap system off, and you end up with that. So anyway, if anybody's struggling to get these things on, hopefully that'll help. Thanks, bye.